Welcome, I am Dr. Samantha from Sri Lanka. Today, shall we consider about cancer, which anyone dislike to think about. What is cancer? Cancer is a group of disease involving abnormal cell growth which potential to invade or spread to other part of the body. They happen when normal cells become cancer cells that multiply and spread. Changing of the gene of normal cell, what we call mutation, is the responsible for cancer cells. Cancer is one of the more common cause of death in the world. Think about if you having a cancer, it is change your life. See how cancer is common. In 2020, around 20 million cases were reported and around 1 million deaths occurred. Cancers can be categorized into three groups. First one is solid cancers, mainly carcinoma and sarcomas. Second type is blood cancers, mainly leukemia, lymphoma and multiple myeloma. And also mixed cancers like carcinosarcoma and adenosquamous carcinoma. What are the symptoms of cancers? Fatigue, night sweat, changing in a shape or color or size of a skin mole, fever mostly at night, unexpected weight loss, if your eyes become icteric, yellowish color, loss of appetite, cough coming up with blood, persistent pain. Those are the most common features of cancer. What are the common causes for cancer? Environmental factors, malnutrition, radiation exposure, hormone therapy, smoking, and family history. These are the common factors that can cause cancers. What are the tests that we can use to diagnose cancer? Simply, we can use the blood test, mainly full blood count and ESR. Normally in cancers, full blood count, the WBC become high in leukemia like blood cancers, and also ESR also high. Tumor marker test also we can use to diagnose cancer. Image techniques like CT scan, MRI, ultrasound scan we can use to diagnose the cancer. Examine the part of cancer tissue, what we call biopsy, can be used to diagnose cancer. That part we can take surgically or aspiration. Genetic test like DNA test we can use to diagnose cancer. Staging of cancer is important to plan treatment and develop a prognosis or expected outcome. According to the severity, we can put into 4 stages. From the bottom 0, we can take as an abnormal cell found but have not spread. Then stage 1, early stage and localized. Stage 2, cells have grown and spread locally. Stage 3, advanced stage and has spread to nearly tissue or regionally. Stage 5 is the advanced stage and has spread to other organs. We are calling metastasis. When we diagnose the cancer, putting into some stage is important to plan treatment. What are the treatment for cancers? Surgical removal of cancer tumor is the best method if it's not spread. Chemotherapy is powerful drug used to destroy cancer cells. Drugs come in intravenous or pill forms. Destruction of cancer cells by using a high dose of radiation is called radiotherapy. Immunotherapy is engage your immune system to fight with, against disease. Target therapy is target the genetic mutation that turn healthy cell into the cancer cells. Hormone therapy blocks cancers causing hormones. For example, people who have prostate cancer might receive hormones to lower the testosterone, which can contribute to the prostate cancer. Bone marrow transplant we can use to treat blood cancers like leukemia. How can you reduce your cancer risk? Stop smoking or use tobacco. Enjoy a healthy diet. Breastfeeding reduces the mother's breast cancer risk. Proper vaccination with Hep B and HPV. Avoid too much sunlight. Use sun protection. Reduce indoor and outdoor air pollutions. Be with good physical activity. Limit the alcohol intake. Attend to the cancer screen programs. These are the modifiable risk factors that can reduce cancer. If you have a cancer, don't bother too much. Be positive. You should live with mindfulness, good physical activity, be with friends and family members, regular check with your doctor, stay positive, maintain your normal weight, and be with smile and singing and dancing. No smoking, limit the alcohol intake. These things may help to prolong your life. Whether you have or haven't cancer, the death is sure than life. Thank you very much.